girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have this up-tempo song from Derulo and Shouse called Never Let You Go. So it goes in the same way. I just thought I'm gonna do something different here on the guitar. We have 3 chords and this rhythm going on here, so we're gonna look at. No need for any cape on this one, and let's go over the chords. We're gonna have bar chords for this one. So the first one will be the G minor. So that's a bar here on the 3rd fret over all strings. And then the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. That's the G minor. The next chord will be F. So that's a bar again now on the 1st fret over all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord we need for this one is a C minor. Again, a bar on the 3rd fret. This time you leave the bass E string there. You leave that one, so you just have 5 strings from bottom up like this on the 3rd fret, and the rest will be 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. Alright, so the chord progression will be G minor, F, C minor, and G minor, and then you start all over again. G, F, C, G, G, F, C, G, and so on. Okay, so we're gonna have this this rhythm going, and that is perhaps the hardest part for this one. You gotta give it some time to get the feeling for it. So I'm gonna try to explain it for you. We're gonna look at the transition for G minor to F, and then you're gonna play in the same way for C minor back to G minor. All right, so it will be a split there, or if you think pair of chords. So we're gonna look at the first pair here, the G minor to F. So it will be for G minor, or the first chord, down, down, and then 1, 2, 3. So dun, 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 dun. Okay, so again, down, down, 1, 2, 3. And then you shift to the next chord, in this case the F, and then comes this rhythm, down, down, and then 1, 2, 3. So, down, 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 down. That's the rhythm, okay? So, and then you continue with the next 2 chords here, the C minor to G minor. You're playing the same way, so C minor. Okay, so that is the rhythm. So it goes like this for a couple of rounds of this chord progression. And as soon as you learn that, you're set for this song from Derulo and Shouse called Never Let You Go. So a quick one, give it a try. Till next time, play tuned.